Ministry of Tourism has been taking measures to ensure the health of tourists, including implementing the standardized protocol for the hygiene and sanitation across the various tourism facilities and services. These measures not only ensure the well-being of the travelers, but also boost the confidence in India as a safe and responsible tourism destination. As we gather here today, it is crucial to recognize the immense potential of tourism in promoting the health and wellness and its positive impact on the physical, mental and emotional well-being of travelers. By promoting health and wellness tourism, we can collectively contribute to a more holistic and sustainable approach towards global health.
सेगीत 3 दीस ही बसका तिसवाडीतल्या नकेत्री हॉटेलात चालू असा. देश विदेशातले डेलिगेट्स बसकेत वाटेकार झाल्यात. केंद्रीय भलायकी आणि कुटुंब कल्याण राज्यमंत्री डॉ. भारती पवार म्हणटा ही बसका महत्वाची. वैजकी एमर्जन्सी वखदांचेर R&D उत्पादनात G20 देशांचो सहयोग वाढवपाच्या नदरेन बसकेत चर्चा जातली.
Focus on critical aspects such as collaborative surveillance, community protection, safe and scalable care, access to medical countermeasures, and emergency coordination, and in turn work towards having a clearly defined and comprehensive fit-for-purpose global health architecture.
G20 देशांचे 180 डेलिगेट्स हे बसकेत वाटेकार जातात. त्या भायर 10 आमंत्रित देशातले अधिकारी आणि 22 आंतरराष्ट्रीय संघटनांचे प्रतिनिधी बसकेक आसात. पर्यटन, भलायकी, शिक्षण आणि स्थायित्व या 4 विषयांचेर मेळून एप्रिल ते जुलै मजगती गोंयांत एकूण 8 बसका जावपाच्यो आसात. प्रुडंटा खातीर लौकीक शिलकार.